Surprise, Phil, I got you a gift. Wow, that's heavy. Don't open it yet. You have to wait. Something weighing on your mind, Phil? Something weighing you down? Yeah. If kidneys are synonymous with deep inner emotion, what about livers? Have a read of Lamentations 2:11. My inmost being is greatly disturbed. My heart is poured out on the earth. Guess what? It's not his heart. What? Is it his liver? Yup, it's literally liver. Read the King James Version. Hey, you're right. My bowels are greatly troubled. My liver is poured out upon the earth. Wow, that's heavy stuff. Does liver represent emotions like the kidneys? Well, open your gift. Wow. It's a liver. Yup. I think I'll leave it closed. I didn't realize livers were so heavy. Well, the Hebrew word for liver is kaved. Kaved. But there's another word that's spelled with the same letters, and it's pronounced kavod. Oh, I know this one. Kavod is glory. Yes, liver and glory both come from the same Hebrew word meaning heavy. In a Bible dictionary, if you look up glory, kavod, it literally means heavy, weighty, or significant. The Bible talks about God's glory coming down and filling the temple, like a weighty or significant presence. Well, that makes sense, because this liver is surprisingly heavy. Yeah, well, the liver is the heaviest of the internal organs. And so in the Bible, the liver was seen as the seat of the emotions, representing the heaviest and most weighty emotions. So a sacrifice was a way of drawing near to God, an expression of worship. And this was done by sharing livers and kidneys with God. Yeah, and those kidneys, the liver and the fat, are all received by God as a pleasing aroma. It makes me wonder, when we share our deepest and heaviest emotions with God, do they reach him as a pleasing aroma? Well, Hebrews does say to offer up a sacrifice of praise to God.